sit at home will be called off and cancelled immediately. And this is a message directly to the Nigeria Fulani Caliphate who think they own Nigeria and own the law and own everybody. If you release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the days of this sit at home will be reconsidered and we are going to leave the sit at home. And this is a condition that we have reached, and this condition is final. Anything less than that, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is inside there in dungeon, believe me, we will face you if you come to force election into our land, and the days is already very close, and we are waiting for you. I want to thank you and thank entire Biafra people for their support, their prayers, and everything you have done to make this struggle a success. We have achieved many things that if we start mentioning it, it will be mind-blowing to the Biafra people. And I want to assure you that we are now 25 days to Biafra. This will come. You will sleep in Nigeria and wake up in Biafra. May God bless you and may God bless Biafra. From here, from me, it is good evening. Salute to the Biafra Liberation Army.